Hey there, history buffs! I'm here to guide you through the incredible journey of South Korea's rich past. With a history that stretches from ancient times to its role as a modern-day cultural titan, South Korea has a truly fascinating story to tell. Let's dive in. We start our journey with the ancient kingdoms of Korea. Imagine a time back in 2333 BCE with the establishment of Gojoseon, the first recorded Korean kingdom. Fast forward a bit, and we find the Three Kingdoms period, featuring Goguryeo, Baekje, and Silla. This era was marked by both rivalry and cultural blossoming, setting the stage for future advancements. As we move into the year 668 AD, the Silla kingdom unifies the Korean peninsula. This ushers in a golden age filled with artistic, cultural, and religious growth. Then, in 918, the Goryeo dynasty takes the helm, innovating with the world's first metal movable type printing long before Gutenberg's press. Isn't that something? Next up, the Joseon dynasty, starting in 1392, which lasted over 500 years. This period is pivotal, with Confucianism shaping the society and significant strides in science and literature. And let's not forget King Sejong the Great, who in 1443 created Hangul, the Korean alphabet, revolutionizing Korean literature and learning. The early 20th century brings hardship with the Japanese occupation from 1910 to 1945. Despite severe repression, the Korean spirit of independence burns strong, eventually leading to liberation after World War II. Fast forward to 1950, the Korean War erupts, creating a divide that lasts to this day, splitting the nation into North and South Korea. This was a pivotal moment, shaping much of today's geopolitical landscape in the region. In the aftermath, South Korea doesn't just recover, it soars, achieving an economic miracle. From a war-torn country to a leader in global technology, automotive, and entertainment industries, yes, including the world-famous K-pop and Korean dramas. South Korea has not just survived, it has thrived. And that's a wrap on our quick tour through South Korea's history. From ancient kingdoms to its emergence as a cultural powerhouse, this nation's journey is a testament to resilience and innovation. If this whirlwind history tour intrigued you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating dives into history. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep that curiosity alive.